Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be opening up my engagement ring that was custom made for me by M33Ms Designs. And I wanted to share it with you guys. I reached out to Emiko, who's my friend that owns M33Ms Designs, back in February last year. And since then we've been picking out the stone, choosing the design. I was kind of inspired by Lord of the Rings, you know, that necklace. The ring that she ended up creating, the pictures at least that I've seen, it's kind of exactly what I wanted, and this will be my first time opening the box and seeing it in person. So here we go. Alright, it's a pretty box. I'm kind of nervous. Thank you, Emiko. She's beautiful.